This is the folder that I'm going to create, and I'll show you how I did it. Right now I'm going to delete it. So what you want to do is figure out what you want to name your folder and go ahead and create one. Once you figured out the name, you want to right click on this desktop. This is considered a desktop. Everything that you see over here on the left is items on your desktop. So I'm going to right click on my mouse. I'm going to scroll down to new, scroll over to folder, and I'm going to start typing. That blue highlighted area that you see will be renamed after I start typing. I'm going to name this folder Pigs 2024. Better yet, let me put a little dash in here because I could have another folder that's named Pigs. So I want to distinguish my folder from the other folder, because if I don't, this folder could override the other folder that's on my system. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. There you have it. You've created a folder on your desktop. You've named it Pigs 2024. Now you are ready to add images to this folder. Once again, my name is Jeff, and I'll be your technology coach whenever you need me. And feel free to subscribe and follow me and learn more techniques and how to use your technology.